Hello, my name is Stephen Kohler, and welcome to today's Ikebana lesson. Today I'd like to show you how to make a basic rising form. So for today, I've chosen to use some New Zealand flax. If I look carefully at each piece, I see that they are slightly different in size. I want to use the one that is about the medium size. The width is about medium. So I look here. So your subject should be up to twice the length and height of your container. If I have something that's a little bigger, a little fatter, a little heavier, I would use this a little shorter. But today, because this is very thin, it feels light, so I'm going to use it the full height. For New Zealand flax, the bottom is very wide. So I want to cut a little bit off the bottom. Next, I have my roses. One rose is a little larger, and one rose is a little smaller. In Ikebana, if I have something that is large, it feels heavy, so it should be used low in the arrangement. If I have something that's small, it feels light, and I will use it higher up in the arrangement. So today, for my object, I'm going to choose the larger rose. Here you can see the face of the flower is pointing up. If I invert it, now the face of the flower is pointing down. When your material is pointing down, it doesn't feel happy, it doesn't feel alive, it doesn't feel fresh. So you want to make sure your flower is pointing up, looking up towards the sun. So making sure that these two faces are looking at each other. Okay. Next, I'm going to use my other rose. Because this one is small, it should be placed higher in the arrangement. And I look, and now it is almost half the size of my subject. When it's half the size, it's almost overpowering the subject. So I'm going to cut it a little shorter. I have one more piece of New Zealand flax. This New Zealand flax is my largest, my thickest. So, like I said before, this material should be used low in your arrangement. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope that you can try to make an arrangement like this.